Welcome to the informative POCO C40, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should click here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. Click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click once on this switcher, tap to OK, again OK, and go back. Then click here to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard and tap to OK. Now the process is finished, and we can go, for example, here to the app search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.